Sorry for the excited intro, guys, but we just got a severe thunderstorm warning, and guess what? I'm on a new camera. So I'm gonna sit down and have some fun. Or not. Well, what's the point of any of that place? Actually, I got an idea. This is Warning Sirens of Iowa, and guess what? That was the very first siren activation of the year. So the hazards in this storm are 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Spotter did report 80 miles an hour wind, 77 miles an hour wind gusts. Down south of us, and it's coming from the west. I cannot see the clouds, but I'm going to give you a glance. But yeah, I need to probably get inside because my parents, well, I was with my folks at the time, and they got pretty upset that I survived the 8 miles an hour wind gusts. I mean, I get it, they're just being safe, but yeah, this is gonna be a good video. I know. Yeah. If there's another siren activation, I'll try to get in. Alrighty. Not much, but yeah. Alright. Well, thank you so much for watching.